Skyfall, a groundbreaking drone carrier specifically engineered for the harsh and unforgiving environment of Mars. Designed to function as a mobile command center, Skyfall can launch, recover, and manage fleets of autonomous drones to explore the Martian surface like never before. Equipped with advanced AI, adaptive landing gear, and solar-powered systems, it ensures continuous operation even in extreme temperatures and rough terrain. Its lightweight, aerodynamic frame is optimized for low-gravity conditions, allowing efficient aerial support for scientific research, terrain mapping, and search and rescue operations. Skyfall isn't just a concept. It's a vision of the future where drone swarms and intelligent carriers collaborate to unlock the mysteries of the Red Planet. The Hengbot Sirius, the world's first trainable AI robotic dog, built to redefine the bond between humans and intelligent machines. Powered by an advanced AI engine and 14 flexible joints, Sirius moves with lifelike precision, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or performing tricks. It responds to voice commands, gestures, and even facial expressions, making it feel more like a real companion than just a robot. With support for Python and graphical programming, users can train Sirius to learn new behaviors, routines, and personalities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, educator, or just love futuristic gadgets, the Hengbot Sirius brings the next generation of smart companionship right to your home. The Hadrian X, a revolutionary robotic bricklaying system that is reshaping the construction industry with unmatched speed and precision. Developed by Fast Brick Robotics, this state-of-the-art robot uses advanced AI, laser-guided navigation, and 3D modeling to autonomously lay bricks and build entire structures with incredible accuracy. Capable of placing up to 1,000 bricks per hour, Hadrian X not only accelerates construction timelines, but also enhances safety by reducing the need for manual labor in hazardous environments. Its innovative design minimizes human error, cuts costs, and ensures consistent quality across projects. By combining robotics with cutting-edge technology, Hadrian X is paving the way for a new era in construction, making building faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. A tunnel boring machine, or TBM, is a massive, high-tech engineering marvel designed to dig through soil and rock to create tunnels for transportation, utilities, and infrastructure projects. Instead of traditional drilling and blasting, TBMs work like underground factories, cutting through the earth with a rotating cutter head, removing debris via conveyor systems, and lining the tunnel with concrete segments as they move forward. These machines can stretch hundreds of meters in length and operate deep below the surface, making them essential for projects like subway systems, underground highways, and water channels. With precision, efficiency, and minimal disruption to the surface, TBMs are transforming how we connect cities and build the infrastructure of the future. Egan Airships is revolutionizing modern aviation with its innovative hybrid airship designs, blending the best of lighter-than-air technology with advanced propulsion systems. These airships are engineered for efficient cargo transport, passenger travel, and even environmental monitoring, all while minimizing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. With massive lift capacity, long flight endurance, and the ability to land in remote or unprepared areas, Egan Airships could redefine how we move goods and people across the globe. By combining futuristic engineering with sustainable practices, they're paving the way for a greener, more versatile future in aviation. The Ring Mouse, a revolutionary gadget that brings the power of fingertip control straight to your hand. Sleek, compact, and futuristic, this wearable mouse slips onto your finger like a ring and transforms how you interact with devices. With just subtle gestures, taps, or swipes, you can control presentations, scroll through pages, or navigate your screen with pinpoint accuracy. all without touching a traditional mouse. Ideal for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts, the Ring mouse offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity, long battery life, and ergonomic design. Experience the future of smart control and make your workflow more intuitive and efficient with the Ring mouse. The world's first AR glasses built for thermal imaging, fish finding, and industrial inspection, a revolutionary leap in smart wearable tech. These cutting-edge glasses seamlessly integrate augmented reality overlays with real-time thermal sensors, allowing users to detect heat signatures in total darkness, locate fish underwater with pinpoint accuracy, and inspect critical machinery without ever touching a tool. Perfect for firefighters, engineers, search and rescue teams, and even outdoor enthusiasts, they offer a hands-free, immersive experience that enhances vision, safety, and productivity. With rugged design, wireless connectivity, and intuitive controls, these glasses aren't just a gadget, they're a next-gen tool that's bringing science fiction into reality. The SolarShip Solidworks concept is an innovative vessel design modeled using Solidworks CAD software, aiming to merge renewable energy with advanced maritime engineering. This futuristic ship integrates solar panels across its deck and superstructure, harnessing sunlight to generate clean electricity for propulsion and onboard systems. By using SolidWorks, engineers can precisely simulate hydrodynamics, weight distribution, and energy efficiency before physical prototyping, ensuring optimal performance and minimal environmental impact. The design often features a sleek, aerodynamic hull to reduce drag, along with battery storage for nighttime or cloudy day operation, making it a step towards zero-emission maritime transportation. This concept is part of a growing trend to revolutionize global shipping through sustainable and self-sufficient energy systems. The Centauri Valkyrie is a breathtaking next-generation spacecraft concept designed to push the boundaries of interstellar travel. Engineered with advanced fusion propulsion systems, it promises speeds that could take humanity to nearby star systems within decades, rather than centuries. Its sleek aerodynamic design is optimized for both deep space efficiency and atmospheric entry, making it versatile for multi-world missions. The Valkyrie's interior is envisioned as a self-sustaining habitat, complete with artificial gravity, hydroponic farms, and cutting-edge life support systems to ensure crew survival on long voyages. If brought to reality, the Centauri Valkyrie could be the ship that turns science fiction into humanity's greatest adventure. Rheinmetall has unveiled the Ermine hybrid vehicle, a cutting-edge military transport designed for versatility, stealth, and efficiency. Combining the power of a diesel engine with advanced electric drive technology, the Ermine can switch between modes to optimize performance and minimize noise for stealth operations. Its modular design allows for quick adaptation to various missions, from troop transport to reconnaissance, while offering exceptional off-road capabilities in extreme terrains. With enhanced armor protection, smart sensor integration, and reduced fuel consumption, the Ermine hybrid represents the next step in sustainable yet powerful military mobility, ready to meet the demands of future battlefields. The Elios 3 is an advanced indoor drone developed by Flyability, designed specifically for navigating and inspecting complex, confined spaces that are unsafe or inaccessible for humans. Equipped with a protective cage, the Elios 3 can fly close to walls, pipes, and machinery without risk of damage, capturing high-quality 4K video and 3D data with its advanced sensors. Its AI-powered collision avoidance and precise flight controls make it ideal for industrial inspections, including in power plants, factories, and construction sites. By improving safety, reducing inspection time, and providing detailed visual data, The Elios 3 is revolutionizing how industries perform critical maintenance and ensure operational integrity. In 2026, a billionaire is set to embark on a truly extraordinary expedition to visit the wreck of the Titanic, resting nearly 4,000 meters beneath the Atlantic Ocean. Using state-of-the-art submersibles equipped with the latest deep-sea technology, this exclusive journey offers an unparalleled, close-up look at the haunting remains of the legendary ship. Combining luxury with cutting-edge exploration, the voyage highlights humanity's relentless curiosity and respect for history. It's not just a trip, it's a daring adventure into the depths, pushing the boundaries of underwater travel and preservation. This mission promises to shed new light on the Titanic story, inspiring people around the world and showing how technology is opening doors to places once thought unreachable. The ProForge 5, a next-generation 3D printer built for professionals, creators, and innovators who demand precision, performance, and versatility. As the evolution of the popular ProForge 4, this advanced machine features a modular tool-changing system, allowing you to swap between different print heads effortlessly, enabling multi-material and multicolor printing with stunning accuracy. Its upgraded hardware ensures smoother, faster prints, while intelligent calibration and touchscreen control make it user-friendly and efficient. Whether you're developing prototypes, engineering parts, or creating intricate designs, the ProForge 5 delivers industrial-level results in a desktop-sized powerhouse, making it a must-have for anyone serious about the future of 3D printing. Imagine wearing the future right on your eye. Mojo Vision has developed the world's first smart contact lens with a built-in micro-LED display packing an incredible 14,000 pixels per inch, all inside a lens smaller than a fingernail. This futuristic lens was designed to project real-time data, navigation, and notifications directly into your field of vision without the need for phones or glasses. Equipped with its own processor, wireless radio, motion sensors, and battery, the Mojo lens was like having an augmented reality computer on your eye. Though the company paused development due to funding challenges, Mojo Vision is now pivoting to revolutionize the world of displays with its cutting-edge micro-LED technology. It's a bold step toward a future where screens disappear and reality becomes smarter. The Cooler Master ORB X is a futuristic, fully immersive, multi-purpose workstation pod designed for gaming, work, or entertainment. With its sleek, egg-shaped enclosure, it offers a private and distraction-free environment featuring an automated sliding dome for entry, an adjustable reclining chair with ergonomic support, and surround sound speakers for a cinematic experience. The ORB X can hold up to 3 27-inch monitors or a single 49-inch ultra-wide display, giving users a massive viewing setup. It also includes built-in ambient lighting, hidden cable management, and premium materials for a high-end sci-fi look. Whether for gamers, streamers, or professionals seeking ultimate immersion, the Cooler Master ORB X feels like stepping into the future. The Kawasaki K-Racer is an advanced unmanned helicopter concept that blends the agility of a drone with the power of a manned aircraft. Designed for high-speed and long-range missions, this futuristic rotorcraft features a streamlined body and coaxial rotor system for maximum efficiency and stability. Originally developed for rapid transport, reconnaissance, and disaster response, the K-Racer can fly faster and farther than traditional helicopters, while maintaining incredible maneuverability in tight spaces. Its cutting-edge design and autonomous capabilities make it a game-changer in next-generation aerial mobility, pushing the limits of what rotary aircraft can achieve. The Weibuild wall coating robotic system is a cutting-edge construction innovation designed to automate the process of wall painting and coating. Equipped with advanced sensors, AI-driven mapping, and precision spray technology, this robot can cover large interior or exterior surfaces quickly and with flawless consistency. It automatically adjusts spray patterns, thickness, and movement speed based on wall dimensions and texture, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. By reducing labor costs, speeding up projects, and delivering professional quality finishes, the Weibuild system is redefining how buildings are painted in the modern era.